Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some project shares for you guys. These are all for Buttons Galore and More. I'm on their design team, and every month I submit at least 3 projects using the products that they send me. And these are the 3 that I submitted for December. I just submitted them yesterday, so I thought I would come on and show you guys what I made. A few of the things I've shown you already, but I'm just going to put them all together here, and I'll move quickly through the ones I showed you already. The first set I made some Christmas cookies, and you guys might have this die set. It's from KS Craft, which I'll link down below. But this year I did some extra embellishments to it. I added some buttons to the ho ho ho, and I think they're so cute, just like a little added dimension to it. And the snowflakes are from a sprinklets mix from Buttons Galore. Let me show you what I used. I used this one. This was actually not part of my design team package. I bought this from Urban Gems. She has a great selection of sprinklets. But if you could see inside, oh, look at this mix. Isn't it so cute? But on this one, I just used the little snowflakes, and they really look like actual sprinkles. So I think they're perfect for like food projects like this. And the buttons just add some height, and this is what I got them from. This is a shaker mix cube. This one is called Pearls and Lace. I'll link all the products down below. And this has just an assortment of white and cream buttons. So I thought that would be good for cookie projects as well. And I use glossy accents to make them really like thick and shiny and, delicious looking. So that is my first cookie project. I also made this little plate of cookies that I just think are so cute. This one, these cookies, I use different sprinklets. Well, I also use the snowflakes on this one, but those little peppermints, I got those from, let me see, it was from this set, Merry and Bright Sprinklets. So cute, right? And what I did was, when the glossy accents was almost dry, I just stuck the sprinkles on there and just press them in a little bit. So it was like, instant glue. So that's the stocking. And for the tree, I used, I used the candy canes and gingerbread from this one. This one's called Santa's Treats. Isn't that a cute mix too? And let's see, the snowflakes are also from the wintry mix. And then I used some red sprinkles from Merry and Bright. And I think there were some white ones in here too, but they might have been from this grouping, the Saint Nick. It was hard to find white ones in here, but I found a few. So I just think that's so cute. And, again, with the glossy accents, and you just use that as the glue. And this is the candy cane one. Oh, looks like I lost one. These little swirls are from the Saint Nick collection. And yeah, there's supposed to be one right there too. And those little Santas are just the cutest thing, right? And I use red, regular sprinkles as well. And these I cut out using Sizzix dies, which I've had in my stash, but I just wanted to show you guys because a couple people did ask me on Instagram what dies they were. So, but yeah, that's my little cookie collection. I have this plate actually on like a hutch in my kitchen area, which I have like a hot cocoa bar set up on. And maybe, you know what, I'll insert a picture here of it so you guys could see. But yeah, I just thought some fake cookies would be good. Hopefully no one will try and eat them. So yeah, that was my first project. Let me just move these over and I'll show you guys the next one. Now these, I made a tutorial on how to make them, which I will also link down below. These are the little shower ring or shower curtain ring. Yeah, shower curtain ring wreaths. And I used Dollar Tree trim to make them, but I embellished them with Buttons Galore pearls, their new pearls, and also their new sparkling sentiments, which are the wood veneer glittered words. And this one was red, but I just added some alcohol ink to make it more pink. So yeah, thought that came out so cute. The pearls look like this. They come in a package like this. And they come in all different sorts of color combinations. I'll link them down below as well. And you can just glue them on. They don't have holes in them, so it makes them pretty to craft with if you're not beading. Here's the next one. This one says Believe, also with sparkling sentiments and the pearls. Now the sparkling sentiments come in packs like this, and they come themed. Like this one is called Winter. It has different winter words. And this one is Christmas. This one is Noel. And then there's other ones that are not holiday related. This one's called Home. And yeah, that's what they look like. They're so easy just to glue on. Again, use them as is or change the color, whichever way you want. Here's the next one. I'll just go through these quick since you guys have seen these already. There's snow. This one was white, which I made pink. I was so happy I figured that out. And then this one is made with just some tinsel trim. But cute, right? And I love the little beads in a cluster. Kind of looks like holly berries, right? So yeah, you guys have probably seen them before if you watch my videos, but I did want to include them on this video since it's part of my design team submission. Okay, and the last thing I have are these. I think are adorable. They're mini filled ornaments. See how tiny they are? And I made these little ornaments. They're actually mini shot glasses from the Target dollar spot this year, and they come in a pack of 4. I think 4 for $3. They're plastic. I guess they're shot glasses because they're food safe, but I think they look better as decoration. So they're so easy to do. You just open them up and fill them up with a pretty sequins mix, and you have a great ornament for yourself or for a gift, or it doubles as a useful gift for a crafty friend because they can use it as display and then use the goodies that are inside. So this one I themed just like a pink and white mix. This one, let me see what I used. I used sparklets, and I used Fun Flurries and Coral Coast. I emptied them both, so I don't have the package anymore. But they're a gorgeous mix of sequins and flatbacks and snowflakes and just lots of different sizes, and they sound really nice when you shake it too. I had a sticker on here, but I don't know where that went. The top is silver, but I don't know if you could tell. I kind of spray painted it like a gold glitter just to add some shimmer. And I made a mini tag with another button, of course, from this one is from, I think it's from that cube also. And a pretty ribbon, and there you go. You've got an ornament. It comes with the ring all ready to hang on your tree. So that was the first one. And the second one looks like this. This one I used I used the pearls and lace again. Just picked out the smaller things and filled it up. It couldn't be easier, right? And I put a button here and I wove some twine through it just to add a little decoration. Oh, and I glued on some trim as well. I glued on a gold poinsettia from Hobby Lobby on the top. And I like this one too. I think it looks kind of elegant, you know? I really like that. Hopefully you do too. And the last one I made is a different color scheme. This one is using just pearls, and this is the cobalt pearls. I'll link them down below, but I really like them because they're blue and silver and white. Just remind you of a snow, you know, like a snowy night or something. And of course, if you don't celebrate Christmas, or you want to give this to somebody who doesn't celebrate Christmas, everybody has winter, or at least here in the East they do. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. So again, this one just has the pearls. I tied a polka dot ribbon around it, glued on a sparkling sentiment, and there you go. Very, very easy and fun to do. This would be a really fun kids craft to do, I think. So I think that is it for my project shares for today. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I think that's it. But I will get a picture of my hutch to show you guys too, just in case you're curious. And I hope you enjoyed this project share. Thanks Buttons Galore for sending me all of these products to craft with. I always have so much fun with these. And I will be back very soon with another crafty video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.